There's a couple different ways a trust can provide asset protection. There's two sides of this coin. One is where a client or a family member will get a catastrophic illness, whether it's stroke, Alzheimer's, and they have to go into a nursing home or have home care. These costs are skyrocketing with regard to long-term care. And let's just use the number of $100,000 a year, which is not out of the question with regard to the expenses. That drains people's retirement accounts. The kids get concerned, the families are getting concerned, are we going to run out of money? And so how a trust provides asset protection on that end is you can create, I call it a strategic gift trust, basically, where you can basically move some assets that you want to protect from the government, or if you need to go to a nursing home, where those assets would not be countable assets towards your Medicaid application. So that's one form of asset protection. The other side of that coin is when you're concerned about creditors. And so if you're involved in any issues with regard to creditors, when you visit the attorney, there's nothing really they can do. However, you can do good proactive planning and calm waters, and a trust is a great vehicle to do that. A revocable trust is one that has an open bucket, and it does not provide you asset protection for you during your lifetime. It can provide asset protection for your loved ones after you pass away, but during your lifetime, a revocable trust doesn't do that. A revocable trust will provide good estate planning and get your assets to the right people. But you can create an irrevocable trust during your lifetime, which means basically you create a trust, you put the lid over it and say, I'm not the owner of this trust, I'm going to have this person manage this trust for me, and you basically lay out the rules for that. So if you were to get sued, you're not the one managing in control of the trust, provide some asset protection for you on that end. So two sides of the coin with regard to it. Trust-based planning does provide asset protection. What's the right one for you depends on your specific situation and your goals. If you have more questions regarding this matter, visit our website at www.insightlaw.net.